guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can post adjustment or correction journal on Bokio accounting software. To post a journal, we need to go to accounting section and there is subsection called journals. From here, click on record and select non-money related journal and click next. We have option to search, look at all templates or record manually. This is how I will select to do. Enter title, so I will have phone cost adjustment. Add the date, in my case it will be 23rd, and this journal will have 2 rows so I can delete, but if you need more rows, click on new row and you will be able to add multiple rows. Debit should equal credits. So I will upload my invoice as a support document, so my phone bill has been actually posted to telephone charges. So because it's been posted to telephone, debit would have been increased. So I want to reduce by £50 as showing here. And this bill actually is mobile phone charges as I mentioned there. So I will search by mobile charges and there is mobile charges and I want to increase costs in that area. So debits and credits are balanced now. I can add more details like comments if required and click preview and record. So journal dated 23rd/08 will be posted where telephone charges will be or cost will be reduced by 50 and mobile charges will be increased by 50 on my reports. Click record and click done. So when I go back to accounting and look at my journals, I will sort by transactions. I can see my phone cost charge, cost adjustment posted there. I have options still to edit this journal, remove, copy or print if required. So this is a way how you can post adjustment or correction journal on Bokio accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my Bokio tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.